Hello friends, this is Akash Shukla. Welcome you all on my YouTube video. Today we will discuss about PN junction diode and depletion region. All you know about PN junction diode. The junction formed by the P-type material and N-type material is basically called as PN junction. What is P-type material? When the trivalent impurities are added in fourth group element, then it is p-type semiconductor, and when the pentavalent impurities are added in fourth group element, then it is called as n-type semiconductor. When both are attached side by side, then it is called as PN junction diode. The junction formed between p and n type is called as PN junction. As we know all basic about PN junction, this is p-type material and this is n-type material. P-type material contains electrons as minority charge carrier, is I am showing like that, and n-type material contains holes as minority charge carriers. Holes are denoted by circle and a plus symbol inside the circle, and electron are denoted by circle and negative sign inside the circle. This is electron. Holes are majority charge carrier of p-type. It is denoted below here, and electrons are minority charge carrier of n-type. There is difference in between these holes. It is only a circle, and this is solid circle which is fulfilled. This is hole. This electron and this hole recombine very easily because they are of opposite sign and very nearer to each other. Therefore, as they are very near to each other, after recombination both the electron and holes are lost. Why? Because they are attract each other and they form a bond, and covalent bond is created as shown in a figure like that. This is p-type and this is n-type. Due to the electron and holes attraction, a covalent bond is created between the p-type material and n-type material. This is same like before. Minority charge carrier of n-type, this is hole, and minority charge carrier of p-type, what is electron. Holes majority carrier of p-type, electrons majority carrier of n-type. Here is not present any hole or electron base to this because they are attracted and lose. Due to this, the negative immobile ions of p-type means that what is meant by negative immobile ions? Immobile means p-type material contains electron as a minority charge carrier. Therefore, it is called as negative immobile ion of p-type. And what is positive immobile ion of n-type? Means n-type contain holes as a minority charge carrier. Therefore, it is called as positive immobile ions of n-type. Due to this, the covalent bond is formed. We called it as depletion layer. called it as depletion layer or depletion region, which is denoted by W, which is denoted by W. And as there are positive immobile and negative immobile ions, covalent bond is formed. As we know that static charge always producing electric field. Here is producing a static charge between p-type and n-type, therefore it produces electric field. Due to this electric field, potential is developed across the junction. Potential is developed across the junction, which is called as contact potential, which is called as contact potential. It is denoted by V naught. Contact potential is denoted by V naught. Now we discuss about the depletion layer. We also called it as depletion width, which is denoted by W. The formula is given as square root of 2 epsilon by Q in bracket 1 upon Na plus 1 upon Nd, bracket close, and into V naught. W is depletion width, Na is acceptor concentration, and Nd is donor concentration. And what is meant by acceptor concentration? Acceptor means which accept the electron, means concentration of trivalent impurity, that is p-type. Trivalent, as I before say that p-type means trivalent impurities are added in fourth group element, and Nd is donor concentration, that is concentration of pentavalent impurities, that is n-type. We check out, this is p-type, this is n-type, and this is negative immobile ion of p-type material, and this is positive immobile ion of n-type material. Now you have clear that why it is called as immobile ion. Immobile means the minority carrier present. What minority carrier present in p side? What this is electron, therefore this is negative immobile ion, and minority carrier present in n-type is holes plus, therefore it is positive immobile ions, and this is junction formed due to negative immobile ion and positive immobile ion. This is depletion width W. As there are no charge here and here. Why? This is Na, neutral area. Why it is called as neutral area? Because there are no charge present at p-type and n-type. We will discuss it later when we supplied voltage here, then due to the attraction it attract the ions and neutral charge occur. If temperature increases, then what happen? We will discuss. If temperature increases, then covalent bond will be broken, then electron hole pair generated. This ion gives their charge back and becomes neutral. When the ion's neutral, then it moves towards neutral area. Means this side, and this electron moves towards this side. Hence the concentration of ions present here in junction is decreases, therefore electric field inside the junction also decreases. It decreases the contact potential, that is V naught, present in this junction. The contact potential is decreases in the range of minus 2.3 MV to minus 2.5 MV, where the negative sign indicates the decrement in contact potential. Now we supply the PN junction diode, then check what happened with the depletion width, contact potential and other parameters. This is p-type. Minority charge carrier of p-type, that is electron, and a minority charge carrier of n-type, what it is? Holes. Majority carrier of p-type, holes. Majority carrier of n-type, electron. No. And there is negative immobile of p-type and positive immobile ion of n-type. Now if we supply a forward voltage like that, positive is supplied to p-type and negative is supplied to n-type semiconductor. Let me call it as VF. If VF increases, then what happened? We'll discuss. If VF increases, means this positive means here it is hole, and this is negative means here it is electron. Electron is denoted by solid circle and hole is denoted by empty circle. If VF is increases, then the concentration of ion inside depletion region is decreases. This is W, depletion region. Why it is decreases? If VF increases, then the holes at this side is increases, means these holes and these holes are of same charge, na, positive charge, na. Holes acquire a positive charge, therefore this positive and this positive will repel each other, therefore repulsion is takes place here, therefore the width is, this width is decreases like somewhat up to here. And this is negative charge. Negative charge means here electron, this is also electron, this is negative charge and this is also a negative charge. Negative charge repel each other, therefore this depletion width is also move towards left side like that to this. Now question, why this electron doesn't attract this hole present in n side? It is attracted, but the holes present in n-type is minority charge, na, means the concentration of electron is more here than the hole. Same in this side, the concentration of hole present in p side is greater than this electron present in p side, therefore this electron therefore this hole repel this hole. In some amount this hole attract the electron, but electron is very low in this side, therefore maximum this hole repel this hole and this electron repel this electron, therefore the depletion width is decreases. As we know that it depletion width is contains a V0, contact potential. If depletion width is decreases, then the energy inside the depletion, energy means electric field inside the depletion, first of all it is up to this, but due to the depletion it decreases, this electric field also decreases. As electric field decreases, V0 is also decreases. You can say from this that if VF increases, then the concentration of ions, means concentration of ions present here, concentration of ions, that is positive and negative ions inside the depletion region is decreases. Then E, electric field inside depletion region also decreases, which decreases the contact potential, means if VF increases, then contact potential decreases. We see from this. What is meant by cut-in voltage? The value of VF for which the holes of p type crosses the depletion layer and electron of n type crosses the depletion layer is called as cut-in voltage, or it is also called as forward voltage. Understand? The value of Vf for which the holes of p type crosses this depletion region and the electrons of n type crosses this depletion region is called as cut-in voltage or forward voltage. Now this is for forward voltage. Now we will check for reverse voltage. If reverse voltage is applied, then what happened with p-n junction diode? This is p type, this is n type. p type material contains electron as minority charge carrier. n type material contains holes as minority charge carriers. And negative immobile ion of p type, positive immobile ion of n type, and this is holes, majority charge carrier of p type material. This is electron, majority charge carrier of n type material. Now here we will apply a reverse voltage, means negative supply to the p type and positive supply to the n type material. Then what happened? Let this is VR. This is negative, means here occur electron. This is positive, means here occur a hole. If electron is here, this electron and this hole, opposite charge particle, electron contain negative charge, hole contain positive charge. Therefore this electron and this hole attract each other. If attraction takes place here, means this goes towards this electron. Now attraction takes place, and here also positive charge means hole contains positive charge. This is electron means negative charge. This positive and negative attract each other, means attraction takes place here, means these holes move towards left side and this electron move towards right side. Therefore the depletion region is increases from this point to this, and in right side this point to this. The depletion is increases from this to this. This is depletion region W. Therefore we can say that in reverse voltage, if we increase the VR, then E inside the depletion region is increases, which increases the depletion width, When electron and hole recombine, then electron deficiency and hole deficiency occur in p type and n type semiconductor. What's this is? When electron and hole recombine, then electron deficiency means and hole deficiency occur in n type and p type. Let's check. If this hole and this electron combining, attracting, means this electron goes here attracting, therefore the electron deficiency occur in n type material, and here hole deficiency occur. Why? Because this hole attract towards this electron, therefore attraction takes place. Therefore this hole deficiency occur in p type material. Here we are supplying a negative voltage, as we see it by diagram, that if VR increases, then what happened with W, and for forward voltage also we see that if VR increases, what happened with W. We also defined that what happened with W by formula, that is the WD equals to the previous formula which I write. 2 epsilon upon q in bracket 1 upon Na acceptor concentration plus 1 upon Nd donor concentration into V0 minus Vf. This is for forward voltage. First case, this is for forward voltage. Why it is minus? This is default minus sign. Let's look out the condition. In before forward voltage, what happened? Check. If Vf increases, then what happened? We will check. If Vf increases, then this whole term is decreases. This decreases means indirectly this Wd is decreases. Wd is decreases. Let's check out here. This Wd is decreases from this to this, means this is correct. And for second reverse voltage, the formula is like that: Wd equal to 1 upon 2 epsilon upon q in bracket 1 upon Na plus 1 upon Nd into V0 minus, but here we are supplying negative sign, means minus, and Vf is minus Vr, minus minus plus, therefore V0 plus Vr bracket close. Let's check. Here Vr is increases, then what happen? If Vr increases, then whole term is increases, indirectly Wd is increases, and here Wd is decreases. No, Vr increases, V0 plus Vr increases, indirectly Wd is increases. This is for reverse voltage is applied to the PN junction diode. This is correct or not? We check from diagram. If Vr increases, then E increases, W increases. This is right. This is much more. Also, what is meant by breakdown voltage? Last topic. If for a particular value of Vr voltage, the junction gets break. It's called breakdown voltage. If Vr increases, Vr increases up to which point, up to which voltage it is increases, the particular value of Vr voltage for which the junction breaks down is called as breakdown voltage. Understand, please? This is much more for today, guys. Thank you so much.